Welcome to this episode of Vintage Cooking with Miss Wangberg. Today we're making pumpkin bean.
For this recipe, you will need 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 red bell pepper chopped, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 15-ounce can pumpkin puree, 1 15-ounce can black beans rinsed and drained, 1 14-ounce can whole kernel corn drained, 2 cups chicken broth, 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon chopped cilantro leaves, salt and pepper to taste, and an optional half a cup of heavy whipping cream whipped.
Rinse the pepper, then ask an adult to help you chop it into tiny pieces. Heat the 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Always ask an adult for help when you're dealing with heating elements. Stir in the bell pepper and onion. Cook and stir until the onion has softened and turned translucent, about 5 minutes.
Pumpkin bones. Have you ever heard of pumpkin bones? He took all the pumpkins home.
While the chopped onion and chopped bell pepper is cooking, strain and rinse the black beans. Strain the corn on top of the rinsed black beans.
Struck again. Oh no, what'll we do now that we know?
Add the garlic and the cumin and stir.
How we gonna get them back? He went right up to his door, knocked and knocked and knocked some more.
Add the pumpkin puree, the black beans, corn, and chicken broth, and stir.
That's not fair. Where we come from, we all share. Halloween's great, one thing we lack. Pumpkin, give the
Add the tomato
pumpkins
sauce
back.
and cilantro and stir again.
Have you ever heard of pumpkin bones? Pumpkin bones, pumpkin bones. Have you ever heard of pumpkin bones? He put all the pumpkins back.
Add salt and pepper to taste. Stir, then reduce the heat to low and simmer covered for about 25 minutes. Make sure to give it a stir every now and then. Now it's time to enjoy.
He took all the pumpkins home.
So it's all ready. I've got it served up and I'm going to try it. Now the recipe says that you can use heavy cream that's been whipped, but I'm actually going to use sour cream and see what that tastes like. All right, here goes. Have a bite. Ooh, that's actually really good. I'm really surprised. You can't really taste the pumpkin, but the texture is really good and it's nice and creamy. I bet you could even add like shredded chicken to this and it would be really good. Okay. I have my daughter, 3rd grade, MES. She's gonna try it. We'll give it the kid taste test. Spoonful.
What's hot?
It's not that bad.
Oh, that's good.
I know, it's really good. You guys should try it at home. It's really good.
You should.
Yeah. All right, try it. It's good. Make sure to visit your grade level page on Miss Wangberg's music classroom to fill out the pumpkin bean exit ticket.
And the squeaks, laughter filled his plumpy cheeks. We said, pumpkin, that's not fair. Where
For the recipe used in today's episode, visit the downloads page of Miss Wangberg's music classroom.
give the pumpkins back. Have you ever heard of
This episode's song is brought to you by Quaver Music Online.
Have you ever heard of pumpkin bones? He put all